to figure out how to get out of here.
4,
If we want to survive,
3, 2,
we need to fight together.
1.
Esto es Radio Disco.
La lista de chicas desaparecidas se ha incrementado a 8 el día de hoy.
Había 2 hermanos. Cortaron en pedacitos a este monstruo cocodrilo. Con estos pedazos crearon todo el mundo que conocemos.
When you sip a good scotch, you hear a piper play.
Este anuncio de whisky me encanta muchísimo.
If the scotch is
No sé qué me está pasando. Y nada más contigo me siento
but only when you
bien.
sip a truly noble scotch will you ever hear.
Vete a drogar, igual que tu padre. No te tengo miedo.
I'm ready to retire, Elena. And I hope in peace, without interruption from you.
A lifetime of drug trafficking and murder doesn't make retirement that easy.
Maybe you should consider your loved ones.
Who are you?
I'm someone your mother knows too much about. And I'm here to make sure that she stays in her lane.
You clearly don't know my mother.
Guess we'll find out.
Mom!
Take her!
What's the plan? We slip in as quiet as possible, grab her, and go.
Find them and bring them to me.
Hello, ladies.
She's never gonna stop.
Where's Ariel? What's next?
Just think I saw one of the little girls from my orphanage in there. You got it all
Crazy. Good afternoon, sister. I'm Mr. Zaragoza.
No, please don't take me. Please don't take me. Help me. Hola. ¿Para la cocina? Nada, no te preocupes. Oh my God. I think one day I want a family, kids, my own home. Is that stupid?
We have a teenager, and her name is Carmelita.
Who adopts a 15-year-old girl? Doesn't this concern you?
Sister,
I'm not going anywhere. Promise?
I promise.